generate another compression. Agree?
Yes, sir.
So now Krish, back to you. In time tau, which I have accorded, where will C1 be? C1, which is now here, after time tau, when tuning fork is ready to generate another compression, where will C1 be? Yes, Krish?
So 2 lambda. 2 lambda from the tuning.
What are you saying, Krish? Please reconcile yourself, Krish.
Sir,
Enough, dear.
Sir,
No, enough. Please think about it. Think about it. What did I say? Concentrate on my question. From this position, which is shown on board, where will C1 be after time elapsed tau? Tau from when? From this position. C1. Yes. Where will C1 be?
2 lambda.
Where will C1 be? Yes, Krish.
Sir, to twice of that distance. No, sir, it will be from 2
Twice of what is? Don't give me answers in air, Krish. Don't give me answers in air. This is the major contention why you are not reflecting in performance. Please try to understand, and only then you can address. Don't go gaga over what you are doing. That is not the case over here, dear. Okay? You are privileged to be in a position to do what you are doing. Try to understand. There are many unprivileged around you. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So please feel blessed and accordingly work towards what you have been bestowed instead of playing victim. Okay? It is not to work. Let me tell you, I am talking harsh, but it will not work if you are not realizing now, Krish. Because
Yes,
I am
sir.
asking very subordinate questions and you are not able to answer. I am asking a question, I repeat. C1 is the position now. Can you see that?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Now I get you lambda time. Okay?
Yes,
I
sir.
get you lambda time. Got it?
Yes, sir.
What is it now? I am getting you this time. Okay? I get you lambda by V or you say tau. I get you additional tau time. Got it?
Yes, sir.
This is the position, let us say at t equal to 0. C1 here, C0 here. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now I am asking, when you read at t equal to lambda, when you read at t equal to lambda, got it? T equal to not lambda, lambda by v, which is tau. T equal to lambda by v, which is tau. That means you are reading after what time elapsed?
Yeah,
After what time elapsed? Krish, come on this. Come in on this. After what time elapsed? After tau time, correct? Correct?
After one complete movement, one complete vibration.
Okay. So after time tau elapsed, where will C1 be?
So will it be
Where
at distance?
will you find C1? Am I clear on question?
Yes, sir. Is it lambda?
Well, what distance?
Lambda.
So, can I say, now you are talking, can I say at the position of C1?
So,
Yes, sir.
Can I? On C0, can I?
Screen is frozen, sir.
yeah, sir. So the screen is frozen.
Okay. Can I say at the position of C0? Is it fine now?
No, sir. Still frozen.
One. Check now.
No, sir.
Would you confirm now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
It's better. So, but then it's a little blur. Yeah.
The quality
Let
is
me.
not good.
Yes, sir. So it's not because of the camera, sir. It's just like
The
yeah, it's better.
network issue, I guess.
Yes, sir. It's the
Yeah, now
network
it's
thing.
good.
Yeah, now
Yeah.
it's good. Yeah.
Now, can I say that C1 will take over the position of C0 there? Can
Yes,
I,
yes, sir.
yes or
Yeah.
no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so where was C0 at t equal to 0 will be C1 at t equal to lambda. Can I say
Yeah. Yes, sir.
lambda by v equal to tau will be at t equal to tau position of C not taken over by C1. Yes or no? Yes,
Yes,
correct?
sir. Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And also at the time when C1 has taken position of C0, I repeat, at the time when C1 has taken position of C0, which has happened at t equal to tau, you know that by schematic diagram, tuning fork is about to animate another compression. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Tuning
Yes, sir.
force is about to emit another compression. Say me yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And that is what to you? C2 to you, correct?
Mm. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So C2 would have been at this position provided source was at rest, correct? Correct.
Yes, sir.
But source is not at rest as we know. Where will be the source? Source will be ahead of this position. Ahead by what distance? Ahead by distance Vs tau. Correct, yeah?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Source is moving. Moving with what speed? Vs. So in tau time, when it is ready to animate another compression, when it is about to emit another compression, which compression? Compression mark C2, correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Will it emit it at this position, at the position of C1? No, it will not emit it at the position of C1. Why? Because source itself is in motion, correct?
Yes, sir.
So source must have moved forward. Move forward by what distance? Move forward by distance Vs into tau. Agreed?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So where will C2 be produced? C2 will not be produced at the initial position of C1, but will be produced ahead. Ahead by what distance? By distance Vs tau. Agreed? Agreed or
Yes, sir.
not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Agree.
Dear? Getting it or not, dear?
So getting
Getting
it.
it, Krish?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Getting it, sir. Getting it, sir.
Yeah, because you will not get it anywhere, mind you. So please be careful of whenever I say so. VS tau over here. This is C2 to us and this is C1 to us, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
At what time? At what time or after what time elapsed? After time elapsed, T naught.
T
Or you
naught.
can say, as I've taken over here, tau. We call
Yeah.
it tau. Okay, so after time elapsed, tau. Got it, yeah?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now, if you recollect on definitions, then what is lambda? Lambda is the distance between, or as we call wavelength. What is wavelength? Wavelength is the distance between two consecutive compressions or rarefactions, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So the consecutive on board at t equal to tau, they are C1 and C2.
Yes, sir.
C1 and C2 are consecutive or not? Tell me yes or no.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
And the distance between them will be marked wavelength. Correct?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I am marking it lambda. Why I'm marking it lambda? I'm marking lambda prime, brother. Why I'm marking it lambda prime? Because I want to show you how has lambda changed. Please take a note. This was initial lambda, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Now this is the initial being shown to you. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Initial lambda? Got it here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes, sir.
But what lambda you are to now lay credence to?
Lambda
Which
prime.
lambda?
Lambda.
We
Lambda
are to
prime.
lay credence to lambda prime. Why? Because lambda prime has factored in motion of source. Can we say that? Lambda
Yes.
prime has factored in motion of source. Say me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
So which lambda you will lay credence to? Lambda prime. How are they related? See for yourself. Lambda prime is lambda minus Vs tau. Agreed? Check it out here. Check it
Yeah.
out. Right
Yes,
there.
sir.
Right there. Every part meticulous read, please. Lambda prime is lambda minus Vs tau. Correct?
Yeah, yes, sir.
And then the frequency, new frequency will be what to us? Will be V divided by lambda prime. Please take a note. When source was stationary, observer was in motion, then numerator was changing, correct?
Yes, sir.
Denominator remained the same. You wrote lambda then, correct?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah.
Here, in this case, when observer is at rest and source is in motion, then what is changing is the denominator. Numerator remains intact. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So, when does wavelength? You have seen this case and tell me, when does the wavelength merit a change? When did it? Did it merit a change when source was stationary or when source started moving? Yes, please.
So when source started moving.
Yes. So remember and emboss it, please. Now you can write and further. In furtherance, what we get? Lambda minus Vs tau, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And lambda we know is what to us? Lambda is nothing but V into tau. So V into tau minus Vs into tau. Clear idea?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Is it okay? Lambda
Yes.
is V into tau. Correct here?
Yes,
What
sir.
do we get from here? V divided by V minus Vs and 1 by tau is which frequency? The organic frequency, right here?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Check it now. What do we get? V divided by V minus V naught. Vs. I have taken Vs. V minus Vs into mu naught. Check the frequency that the observer will be able to hear. This is which case? Observer is at rest and source is moving towards the observer. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yeah,
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Now I wish all of you get me schematic diagram of source moving away from the observer. Write down. When source is moving away from a stationary observer. When source is moving away from a stationary observer. Get me the schematic diagram, all of you. Source is moving away from the stationary observer. I want schematic diagram, the way that I have drawn. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Try draw it. Try draw it, all of you. Krish,
Yes, sir.
23rd will get over, July will get over this course, which is 11th, okay?
Yes, sir.
And 23rd of August will get over the 12th course.
Yes, sir.
Okay? 12th we are left with optics and modern physics. Okay, also electromagnetic induction. Got it, yeah?
After that, so it's over, sir. The entire thing.
Yes. That is the reason I am telling you what is to be done after that. So after that is the reason why test series has been launched. Got it, yeah?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Because we will be going for then increase number of tests so as to fill in the gaps which you will be getting. Got it?
Okay, sir.
That's the reason. You will not be seeing classes held after of 23rd of August, be it 11th or 12th. Then we will go for only short-term revision courses because we will be left with 3 months thereafter.
Okay, sir.
January is a given examination will take place. Okay?
So January, JE May, so advanced means.
Yeah. Mains. This year is in a limbo, as you know. So we doubt this year they are to conduct advanced examination.
Sir, for us, there won't be any problem, no, sir.
I don't think there will be any. Because by January things are to settle. We are going to get vaccine earlier than January. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you prepare with the mindset that you all are to take examination in first week of January,
Okay.
which makes you only 3 months after of August handy. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me, dear. Because August means August, September, October, November. After that, school is also to bog you with work. You know that very well. So you'll be left
Yeah,
with only 3 effective months, right? Yeah.
sir, it's already started for us because we have to write lab records and all right now. So much they have
Right,
given.
right. Yeah. So
Uh,
that being always the case, and you cannot be dismissive about it. It is of great import, as you know.
yes,
So
sir.
I have never advocated being any dismissal for school work. So please don't do
Yes, sir.
that. It's very important. And accordingly, we are to factor in our preparation so that that also doesn't get marred. What I am to say is you will be taking examination in January first week, which leaves you only with 3 handy months. Okay,
Yes,
after a
yes, sir.
tell me what happened this time. What will you say? I took time tau because time tau was required for it to permeate another compression, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No exception from there. I will again take time tau, correct? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So time tau taken and tau will see C2 coming out of the tuning fork, correct? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But where will C2 be realized? C2 will be realized behind of this position, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
C2 will be realized behind of this position. And behind by what measurement? By what measure? By
Yes,
a
sir.
measure
Yes, sir.
VS tau, right? Good, Vedant.
Y-
By a measure VS tau, correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So if we are to present it, what shall I be presenting it by? I'll be presenting it by somewhere here being, look over here, somewhere here being C2 to me, correct? Visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And the distance between C1 and C2 will be Vs tau, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And where will be C1? C1 will take over position of C0 then, correct?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah.
Because C1 was anyway, by that time at t equal to 0, C1 was seen out of it, correct? Yeah, out of the realm of tuning fork. Can we say that? And was
Sir.
moving with v speed. We got time tau, so it traveled this distance, correct?
Yes, sir.
So now on board you have C2 and C1, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
What is the distance between them to be called or marked? This distance will be marked lambda prime. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
New
Okay, sir.
lambda. And what is
Yeah.
new lambda to us?
The
New
lambda plus.
lambda will be equal to old lambda. Tell me, dear. New
The
lambda
So
is this
lambda
one.
plus Vs tau. So lambda plus
Lambda
Vs tau.
plus Vs tau, right?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Lambda plus Vs tau. Clear, dear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And now you further and get me the eventual. I want the eventual. This equation form.
Sir,
Get me this equation form. Yes,
So
please.
it will be V by V plus Vs whole mu
Into mu
naught.
naught. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yes,
V
sir.
is equal to V divided by V plus Vs, rightly so, whole into mu naught or F naught, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay, so we got altogether 4 formulae. Let me bring it in one. Got to know how are we getting the formulae?
yes, sir.
And let me also bring to you why is this of the import. The last question of SC Varma says that tuning fork is moving with an acceleration. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
What has he said? He has said tuning fork is moving with an acceleration. Now, if you go what other students do, just by formulae, entire of your concept against this question which Asim Bama has asked will fall like house of cards. Why will it fall like house of cards? Because none of the formula will apply. Okay? None. Why? These formulae, they are applicable when the body is moving with either be the body or the instrument. When they are moving with constant speed, correct?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Speed, you don't qualify uses of any of the formula. Thereby, everything will fall like 9 pins. Is it okay? It
Yes.
falls like 9 pins, nothing can be used. All your concept will fall apart. We need to understand the importance of derivation. That's the reason I'm bringing this point forth. If you know how you have derived, you will have an answer. If you know how you have derived, you will have an answer. And the answer will be very simple. What will it be? Here you wrote lambda prime as lambda plus Vs tau, didn't you? Did you write
Yeah.
it this way?
Yes,
Did you
sir.
write lambda prime as lambda plus Vs tau? Did you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When it was moving with constant speed Vs. If it is moving with acceleration, what will
This,
Vs tau be changed by? Half alpha into tau square.
Yeah.
yeah. Okay. Yes, sir.
Clear? Clear
Yes,
or
sir.
not, dear?
Yes, sir.
Half
Clear.
alpha the acceleration into tau square. It started moving, right? Yes. So initial velocity 0, correct?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
I'm using kinematical equation and see how simple it becomes. The moment you know from where you are coming, is known to you that yes, it stems from this derivation, you'll be able to solve that question easily, the last question. Okay? Which will be an impossible ask for those who are into committing formulae to memories. You see for yourself, lambda prime, lambda plus, what will you say now? Half alpha the acceleration into tau square. That's it. Question solved. Clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
That is what. Now, as we are into general case, let us club and get for general case a clubbed formula. One formula which is to encapsulate all the formulae. Formula which will encapsulate all the formulae. See for yourself. V plus minus V naught divided by V plus minus Vs whole into mu naught. Is it okay?
Yeah, so this is a thing which is given in many books.
Yeah, this is what they harp on, but they forget on a mention. This is true only for the case when we have V naught and V as well as Vs constant, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the case with us. Now let me club the situation and ask you to get me a specific formula. Write down. From this set of formulae, I want specific formula. Is it okay? The specific formula which corresponds to my situation. Correct, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. A person is moving away from a source which in turn is moving away from the person, which in turn is moving away from the person. If source is vibrating with F naught, find frequency of source as observed by the observer. Find frequency of source as registered by the observer. Yes, please. What has he registered after of observation? What did he register? You have to write it in one go by using this set of formulae. Anyone take the lead?
So 1 second. Is it V minus V naught by V plus Vs?
Firstly, the source is moving, what did I say, towards or away?
Away from the observer?
So if the source moves away, then frequency should decrease, correct?
Yes, sir.
Look at this equation. Numerator is governed by V naught and denominator by Vs, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
Binda, you are saying.
No, sir.
So as the source is moving away from observer, correct? We will take in parts, dear. We will take in isolation. Remember, we will take in piecemeal in dollops. We will take in isolation. First, we will assume the case of source. Source is moving away from observer, right?
Yes, sir.
So if source moves away from observer, then frequency should decrease, correct?
Yes, sir.
And decrement will be governed by plus sign, correct? Denominator should be high to mark a decrement, correct? Yes or no?
Yeah, yes, sir.
So this becomes plus. Plus minus, we pick on plus. Take your pick on numerator.
Sir,
What
it should be,
about observer? Is observer moving towards or away?
it's moving away from
Away.
the source.
Away. If observer moves away, then frequency will decrease again.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That decrement will be governed by which sign? It is a numerator.
Negative sign. Yeah, negative. Yeah.
Negative sign. Therefore, what you will be getting to see is this equation. Is it okay, dear? V minus V naught divided by V plus Vs whole into mu naught. Got Krish?
Yes, sir. Same thing. Yeah, yes, sir.
Good enough. Now, right next. A train moving with constant speed. A train moving with constant speed go past frequency measuring device, go past frequency measuring device kept between the parallel tracks. Kept between the parallel tracks. Plot for frequency time. Plot for frequency versus time. Recorded by the detector. Plot for frequency versus time recorded by the detector. Let me make this question amply clear to you. Here is the detector. Find here, which we
Yes,
call
sir.
frequency measuring device. It is to detect frequency. And the train go past it. Okay? The train came and then went past. Is it okay, dear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Train is going with what speed? A constant speed. Let us say Vs sounding what frequency? F naught. What will be registered by detector as train approaches and recedes? Correct, yeah? First train is approaching, so train approaches the detector and then recedes the detector. And there is no change in speed of train. Got it, yeah?
Yes, sir.
It is not stopping. It is moving with constant speed. It is
Sir, but
approaching and then is receding. And continuously what it is honking a frequency mu naught. Find, yeah?
okay, sir.
So you have to plot for frequency versus time registered by the detector. Do the plotting, please.
Sir, I guess it'll be like this, sir. Sir, when
Show me the
train is
plot. Show me the plot. Show the plot.
okay, sir. 1 second, sir.
Show the plot.
I have not plotted it.
Show the plot, Vedant. Show the plot, Pratyush. Show me the plot, all of you.
So 1 second.
Vedant, show me the plot.
Yeah.
Sir, will it be like this? I'm not sure, sir. 1 second.
Show. I'm not able to see you, dear.
Yes, sir. Sir, is it visible now?
It's visible. Show me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Vedant, show me your plot, please. Okay, Trish. Vedant.
Yes.
Vedant.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh dear. Pratyush. Pratyush, unmute yourself, dear. Show me your plot. Pratyush, where are you? Unmute yourself first. Show me the plot.
Yeah.
Show me the
Yes,
plot,
I'm
Pratyush.
done.
Sir, he's telling it's not done, sir. Sir, he's
Not done
typing.
means what? How long will you take? You don't have time till the cows come home. Yes, whose is this? Vedant's, right?
Sir, yeah.
I say, kind of
So
hazy
it
Vedant's.
added to x-axis and y-axis.
Okay, I got it. Okay, I saw. Fine. Okay, yes, Pratyush, tell me. Not able to what?
Figure it out.
They're not able to figure it out.
What does he mean by not able to? He's not audible. He's not able to show me video. What for? He's joining the class. Yes, Pratyush. If this is the problem which is to persist with you, I'm sorry. I cannot take it forward. Get your audibility and visibility corrected. Find ya. You cannot be in the garb of not visible or not happy. How are you working on school there? How are you working on school? School is not to allow. You know that? School is not to allow. I know very well. Every day class being taken. School doesn't allow. Which school you are in, which is allowing you to have to be in incognito? Get it corrected, mic and visibility both. Show me your plot. Show me the plot. Yes, Pratyush. So get it done. Show me whatever you are done with. You cannot be idle in the class. Show me. Show me the plot. Class is waiting for you. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, got it. So none of you have corrected, I'm afraid. Not a single plot shown to me is the correct plot. And the answer was on board. All of you did show frequency varying with time, right, dear?
Yes, sir.
Tell me which equation are you following to show frequency varying with time? Which equation? You'll take this equation, right, dear?
Yes, sir.
Is this equation function of time? Is this equation function of time?
No, sir.
When the source is approaching stationary observer, we will get frequency which is V plus 0 divided by V minus Vs whole into mu naught, right, dear?
Yes, sir.
And this has got no flux with time, right, dear?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
No, it is a straight line to you. Now when it recedes, when the train go past this point, then what will happen? It will be represented by V plus 0 divided by V minus Vs, correct?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because now the source is moving away from it, correct? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Then also there is no affiliation with time. See for yourself, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, it drops. So it will drop. In the previous, in one case when it was approaching was this, now it will be this one, right? Plus, correct?
Hmm.
Yes,
Yes,
It's
sir.
moving away, correct? So it
Yes.
drops and then again is a straight line, correct? Yeah.
Yes. So the reason
yes,
I
sir.
drew that
These are
plot,
the questions. These are the question and these are quite a divorce to what you do observe. Therefore, it's difficult to fathom. Got it? Yeah.
yes, sir. So, but
Yeah.
then if we look at on basis of amplitude, no, sir. So amplitude is inversely proportional to frequency. So when it's coming from far away,
Amplitude, amplitude, we are looking from the perspective of amplitude when you are looking for intensity. Okay, did I ask intensity over it?
okay, sir,
I
right?
asked frequency over it, correct?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Frequency. So frequency wise, what we have to draw is as shown on board. Got it, yeah? This
Yes,
is variation of frequency with time. Got it? Am
yes,
I
sir.
clear on
Yes,
this
sir.
part?
Yes, sir. You're clear,
Yes,
sir.
This is
sir.
how it will. Okay. So I'm leaving you with the formulae set. There are many a question which we are to solve, and there is a theory part as well, which was initially with a question given in SC Verma, but that question had wrong answer. He has corrected that answer, which is when you are moving towards a wall, which is moving towards you. So that is another theory which you don't find anywhere in package or anywhere else. This theory will be dealing in the class to come. Fine, yeah? By then,
Yes,
please
sir.
reinforce whatever was taught today on Doppler's effect. Okay, dear.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Alfio.
Sir,
Thank you for the
this
day.
so the
Huh.
laws of motion test which you're going to take, sir, it's for KBPY or is it for the test series?
Test series has got no qualification yet. It is for KBPY. And only one has got as of yet selected. I will not reveal, but please try your level best to perform the best in laws of motion. Laws of motion, which I have positioned, is for KBPY because test series is without of qualifying. And second, test series, you have not been updated yet with what portion I'm to ask on which day, which I'll be on 4th.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, dear.